Have you ever been to the Caribbean? Or is it Caribbean? No worries. Either way you pronounce it, it has a rich history of mystery, adventure, and buccaneers. What's a buccaneer? That is the name given to the pirates of the Caribbean. Buccaneers. You can picture them now, can't you? The patch over one eye. Arrgh, matey. Buccaneers. In Miami police file, the O'Neill case, you will encounter buccaneers, a mystery, and the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is also known as the Devil's Triangle. Eek! 2 names, 1 area. The Bermuda Triangle is not really a triangle, but it is the area in the Atlantic Ocean between Bermuda, the south coast of Florida, and Puerto Rico. An area full of mystery and history. I love a good mystery, don't you? I think everybody loves a mystery. Or is it everyone? You can use both. Everybody and everyone is used for people. Everything is used for objects, and everywhere is used for places. This story takes place in Montego Bay, near Miami, Florida, along the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. Join me, won't you, to solve a mystery in a great location full of interest and history. It's no mystery you are going to love visiting the Florida coast, Bermuda Triangle, and the Caribbean, or Caribbean. However you pronounce it, you will love to learn more about all of it. Everyone, everywhere loves to learn. Is that everything? Arrgh, matey, don't forget the buccaneers. They are here too. A mystery with the Bermuda Triangle that you can get lost in. Can you write a sentence in the comments using everyone, everywhere, everything, or everybody? Go ahead, give it a try. Everyone likes to try.